Morning come, I know the snooze, I dey feel the breeze. New day, new grace, I dey pray for ease.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video and I have a new wig from UNICE and they can be found on Amazon Prime. I know how much we just love Amazon Prime. I'm gonna leave all the information, links, and details, as well as a discount code in the description box below. Also, if you guys want to save some cash off of your purchases, be sure to use my discount code, which is UNICEWIG, to save some cash. So here's the wig that I have for you guys today. This wig is brand new, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. This is what she looks like. This is their new 7x5 inch bye-bye knots Burmese curly human hair lace wig. It does have the finger coiled ends and I absolutely love the color. This color is in the black to chestnut brown ombre and this is what it looks like. Once again, you do have that 7x5 inch lace, which is pre-cut. You do have the pre-plucked hairline as well as the bleached knots. You guys can see the construction of the unit. You get a drawstring for added security, so you get a nice comfortable fit, as well as the normal. You have your combs, your elastic band, your silicone non-slip backing. Y'all know the regular. So once again, this is what the wig looks like. I just went ahead and I prepped the hairline off camera. You guys know this process. It's nothing new. I allowed it to dry overnight and this is what it looks like. Now the lace is a tad bit too light for my skin tone. So y'all know I like to take a little bit of my liquid foundation, my Fenty foundation to be exact, and I apply that all over the lace so I can get a nice meltable coverage. I threw my stocking cap on and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my wig on and see what we're working with. Now this part is completely optional, but I am going to pull out some baby hairs. I found that the hairline looks absolutely amazing, but y'all know me, I tend to like to have baby hairs, so I pulled those out. I tweezed them out a little bit and I cut those down. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of my gel and just get those laid.
Listen to the silence, hear the whispers of the tide. No need to hide, let your light shine wide. No be magic, not consistency, I they tell you true. Not persistence, it go see you through. We go rise like the sun every single morning. No time for morning, new chapter is forming. This Afrobeat rhythm, me they carry my soul. Taking back the power, making me whole. Yeah, keep that flow, it they go, it they go. Let it rise, in my team, remember the word rise. So time, hold you.
So I'm sure you guys noticed the little finger coils towards the bottom of the wig. Yep, y'all gotta go in and pick those out. That is what's gonna give you guys crazy volume. It's gonna make this unit look super realistic, and I was in love with those little things. When I first saw them, I was like, what is this? I didn't really know what to do with it, but once I started picking through it using my Afro pick and I saw how the wig grew and just how nice and natural the unit looked afterwards, I was sold. So yeah, you guys definitely go in using like a comb or a Afro pick and just pick that part out. Don't go too crazy though. You don't want to create more frizz. You kind of still want to keep a little definition there, but definitely pick that out. Your wig is going to grow. But look at how natural this unit looks. You guys, look at the lace. The lace is definitely lacing. It looks literally like scalp, and I was like, whoa. I added soft baby hair, so they're not super dramatic. I did go in and brush them out to give it more of a softer look, but for the most part, y'all, this is what this wig looks like. Look at the color. Like, I love a super subtle colored wig, especially something that has blacks and browns, because it just does something for my skin tone, my skin complexion, and I was like here for it. Look at that definition. Like, look at it. It's super defined, and y'all, I didn't wash this wig. I didn't redefine it. I literally took it out the box. I laid the hairline, and that's pretty much it, other than me going through it with the comb, and you guys see exactly how natural those curls look. Oh my goodness. But I am going to give you guys a few different styling options. Of course, I'm going to keep it really plain and simple. I just took out my little antlers and then I threw on a headband, you know, just keep it simple and cute. But for the most part, this is just what this wig looks like. You guys check out UNICE. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below in case you guys are interested. You can pick up this unit from Amazon. You know, definitely take advantage of that. If you guys are impatient with getting your units, definitely check this out because they are available on Amazon. You can get it like anywhere between 1 day, overnight, 3 days, super quick. So you definitely check that out. I also have a discount code for you guys in case you guys want to save some cash. Use their discount code, which is UNICEWIG. I'll have that provided below in the info section as well. You guys definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit. I am just absolutely loving it. This is definitely going to be something that I go to during the springtime. Yes. But again, you guys let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.